delicious mushroom ghee roast. Peel the mushroom. Chop the mushroom. Chop 1 onion. Add clove seeds. Add pepper seeds. Add ajira seeds. Add dry red chili. Add fennel seeds. Fry well. After 2 minutes of frying, add the mixture to the mixer jar. Add 2 spoons coriander powder. Add 1 spoon red chili powder. Add 1 spoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add 1 garlic. Add cashew nuts and 1 red chili. Add lemon juice. Add water. The final texture should be like this. Add curd to the paste. Mix well. Add mushroom slices. Add 3 spoons ghee to a frying pan. Add onion slices. Add turmeric powder. Add ginger and garlic paste. Mix well. Add mushroom mixture to the pan. Fry well. Add 1 spoon salt. Add curry leaves. Add 100 ml of water. Close the lid and let it boil for 10 mins. Delicious mushroom ghee roast is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.